What does sustainability mean to you? What does sustainability mean to you?
Wait, stop, pause. What is sustainability? Can you just define sustainability for?
Sustainability, I guess being able to keep it going and like. Okay, Jordan, what does sustainability mean to you? Okay, now what does eating sustainability mean?
I have no clue.
Here we are at Whole Foods. We're about to go in and see what they have to offer. Day 1 of sustainability diet, and we are all starved and hungry and eating finally organically and wholesomely at Whole Foods. How do you guys feel about it?
So good. It's amazing.
So apparently bananas are not grown in America. Sad day. It's quite depressing. Another problem to eating sustainably is not just the outside packaging and what it says, but what's on the ingredient label. Here's some of the stuff we got: apples, soy milk,
Greek yogurt, some organic peanut butter crackers.
Apparently everything's really organic at this point. Cinnamon crisps. So I'd just like to point out, it's expensive to shop organic.
But it's worth it.
Unless you're a poor college student, just stop eating. Moral of the story. Look at Melissa recycling. Another way to be sustainable is to cook for yourself. And you can use organic products and just super easy meals. Tonight, we're making pizza. We have all natural sauce, we have organic cheese, and whole grain pizza. Alright, so we have 2 pizzas officially made. Look at that, used up all the ingredients. Stick them in the oven and call it good. I don't think they're both gonna fit, but that's okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Smile, 'cause you're pretty. Okay, bye now. So, we have our pizza, as Hannah is beautifully eating it, and it is delicious. Very good. So, night is a success. Marking that one. It's easy, it's simple, it's delicious, and it's good for you. So, that's all. Do you feel like what they're giving us is sustainable? Do you know what sustainability means? Give me a definition of sustainability.
So we asked the general manager for Sodexo at Hubble what sustainable practices they do, and they use fair trade coffee. They partner with some local farms for seasonal produce. They use reusable mugs. They are trayless, and they have an eco-friendly dishwashing system, and they have 100% recycled napkins, so that's what we use. And yeah, they make sure all their eggs come from a cage-free pen. That's that.
What does eating sustainably mean to you?
Thankful.